On 5, we are getting a better idea of the damage caused by the flooding at Merchants Plaza in downtown Mobile.
The basement flooded yesterday, leading to the building being evacuated. Jeremy Jones is here now with an update on exactly what happened.
Yes, so I spoke with Jason Scott, who is the asset manager. He works with the owners of Merchants Plaza. He says 7.5 feet of water flooded the basement as 6-inch pipe burst, damaging electrical equipment and the pump, which provides sprinkler service in the building. He tells me only office residents were affected by the flooding, no residents. Right now, there is no power to the office building of Merchants Plaza, so they are not allowing anyone in that part of the building. A generator is being used to power equipment to help dry out the basement. They are unsure how long that will take. Reporting in studio, Jeremy Jones, WKRG News 5.